One of the most meaningful yet severely ignored post-match presentation that MS Dhoni ever gave must be this.
Well, one thing for sure, the 2020 version will catch up in India. The excitement and the type of game it is, I think it will be a big hit in India.
That was the day of September 24, 2007 when India won inaugural T20 World Cup. The truth is, everyone ignored this part of presentation because it was a jubilous moment for India, and the only thing every Indian cared was lifting that trophy and enjoying every bit of that day. Also, that was the final part of presentation, so simply speaking, nobody cared. But looking back, it was quite a statement from MSD. And you have to say this, that India's T20 triumph was the very foundation for the inception of this tournament. Later on, that statement from MSD proved out to be 1,000,000% correct. Yeah, maybe MSD knew that this league was certain to happen, or maybe it was one of six sins of Dhoni that we all became accustomed post 2007. Well, after 206 days prior to that match, that T20 final, we officially had this league which went on to conquer the whole cricketing world. Yes, we are talking about the IPL, the trailblazer, the trendsetter, and the pioneer of modern cricketing Big Bash. This event is so popular that it has now become kind of an unofficial ICC event. The fact is, it was an instant hit. As soon as this event was announced, there was a lot of buzz. The commissioner and first chairman of IPL, Lalit Modi, equally contributed to that buzz by stating, "The IPL has been designed to entice an entire new generation of sports fans into the grounds throughout the country. The dynamic T20 format has been designed to attract a young fan base, which also includes women and children." Well, was he right? During that time, this is what he had to say as a founder and spearheader of IPL. But after 13 years, if we scrutinize every details of what he said, he was damn right. This might be the first time where probability of success had been an absolute one. Yeah, right from the get-go, everything associated with IPL was huge. Cricket's best event in a cricket crazy nation. Nothing gets better than this for the Indians. Franchisee, cricketers, investment, marketing, global ads, supporters' attention, everything was colossal. Well, the official auction was held on February 20, 2008, and that probably must be the most watched event on that day. Such was the buzz of this new upcoming event, and that was quite a scene. The first auction of Sen 1 from category A went well, but the real meaning of betting was seen when MS Dhoni's name popped out in second withdrawal. Though he was base priced at $400,000, he went to Chennai Super Kings for whooping $1.5 million as the highest bidded player for 2008 IPL season. After that, list goes on and on. From that very moment, this event got bigger and interesting for everyone. We as a cricket fan never saw quite like that. Yeah, the bidding system and the money involved were so huge and highly attractive for any players. Even the players who went unsold were paid as per base price by BCCI. It was a nice thing done by BCCI and a win-win for everyone. Now, here came the main day. First ever match of this event, which was destined to enjoy all the people in a different way. The day was 18th of April 2008 in M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore. Two legends of Indian cricket, Sourav Ganguly and Rahul Dravid, arrived for a toss. Dravid won the toss and elected to bowl. In came at 8 o'clock in the evening. Sourav Ganguly himself and certain QE by the name of Brendan McCullum. Right from the get-go, McCullum was on fire and he went on to score that mammoth 158 of just 73 balls with 10 fours and 13 massive sixes at a strike rate of 216, and simply speaking, he just ripped RCB's bowling hot. All of the world were stunned by that innings, and this still remains as the valuable innings ever in IPL. Yeah. Well, there was also some guy by the name of Virat Kohli in that match too. Yeah. Wow. Look how time can change everything. But on a serious note, that innings from Brendan McCullum set the tone for the rest of the world that IPL is here to stay and stay for a long time. All the charisma that were predicted was more than fulfilled in that single innings, and talking from every nook and angle, IPL never looked back ever since. This event is growing day by day. People are making career and fortunes out of IPL. Nowadays, it is so tough that even getting into that auction is a hard work, let alone getting picked for a game. Yeah, this event is that tough. Well, let's get to the business end. Frankly speaking, this tournament was introduced to strengthen India's baseline of cricket by mixing with international exposure. Cricketers from different locations were picked and they tested the huge experience from international cricketers. Even for someone like Kohli, Jadeja, Rohit Sharma, who now are international stars, IPL was a huge learning curve for them. Well, ultimately, IPL only helped Indian cricket. Even the supporters are immense in this league. Stadiums are always jam-packed and foreign players are quite loved in India too. That's why any foreign player does not want to miss any games of IPL. Not only for money, the love that these players get from Indians is also awesome. That's why IPL is attractive from every perspective. Now, looking from another dimension, this IPL event has now become a next selection event alongside their usual Ranji Trophy. There are lots of instances that players are picked in India's team on the basis of IPL performance. Players like Jasprit Bumrah, Hardik Pandya were picked to Indian cricket on the basis of their IPL performance. Well, what a findings have they been. Also, many players like Robin Uthappa in 2014 made a successful comeback to national side due to IPL performance. Even many players who gets unnoticed in national team selection, this event acts as a catalyst for them. Yeah, IPL so far has been a win-win for everyone. Even after long 13 years, everything related to IPL is ever growing. As I mentioned earlier, it's a trendsetter. That's why right after IPL success, other similar T20 leagues had or has been invented and they are growing on their own. But on a serious note, IPL obviously had a huge impact on cricketing world. Apart from some anomalies, IPL has been a positive impact in our lives, and life after IPL is obviously better than ever. Many, including myself, always wait for IPL to return and hope IPL never ends. Yes, this is the voice of millions of cricket followers in the world, because this IPL is just interesting. Yeah, well, having said all this, the time is up for this video, and as ever, these are my views and opinions on topics related to cricket. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please pass me an honest opinion about this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.